Jerry from Comfort here to talk about Comfort sliding glass doors. We manufacture our own sliding glass door the same way we do our custom windows. In fact, a sliding glass door is nothing more than a very, very large window that goes to the floor. And we replace the old wooden doors, metal doors, doors that are hard to operate. Our doors come in 2-section, 3-section, and even grand 4-section doors that open in the center. A Comfort sliding glass door is so simple to operate. It takes about 2 pounds of pressure to actually make this door glide back and forth, and that's probably a lot less than those old metal doors that are on the market. Door comes with a stylish Euro handle. When this closes, there's a dual point lock that locks that door in 2 places, and then you have your nice foot bolt on the bottom instead of having to put the old broomstick in the door. When you want to open the door, you kick it open. You can even make the door ventilate. When you want to be done, you kick it open, comes back in. Also comes standard with a nice ventilation screen that's not going to give you any problem gliding back and forth. With a Comfort sliding glass door, keep in mind too, they're available in dual pane, triple pane, heat guard, and quad shield glass. No matter what glass might fit your needs, Comfort's got the answer for you. And remember, the most important thing is these are measured, handled, and installed by our factory people, guaranteeing that labor and the product for as long as you own your home.